Hello everyone and welcome to Poor Boy Games. Today we're checking out Slime Quest. So, let's get started. So, as normal, pretty straightforward. Just load into the game and you're jump straight into the tutorial. And you can't really do much here. Just pretty much follow the instructions, enjoy the cutscenes, and kick back and wait for the actual game to start. So it's actually kind of like a video game, lost my train of thought there. A video game where you, feel like you're trapped in a video game, except this time you're playing as the monster instead of like the actual hero. Kind of cool, just to try and play the opposite side of the coin. You've got your heroes, so to speak, because you got your level 15 swordsman, so like that guy's been playing the game for a while and he's trying to beat you because you're a higher powered monster. So at this point I'm not really super worried, just like I said, doing the tutorial and kind of just minding my own business. And here's where the actual game starts. I just finished tutorial. I'm gonna get double jump, I think. Yeah. That way I have like a higher dodge. See if I can jump on the castle. Criticals look good. I totally forgot to jump there with that guy. I'm gonna go with rear. Seems like a good idea. I could do a basic attack instantly finish this, but I like the idea of shooting behind you. It's a good idea for when we inevitably run away in cowardice. I mean strategically retreat, not cowardly, of course. Attack speed. That way we can shoot faster backwards. I mean frontwards, of course. Of course, we're not going to be running away at all. We're just going to create some strategic distance between us. I timed my jump poorly there. I just can't get this jump down. Run away! He's gonna get us! And I got trapped there against the wall. I like how he has like the little tears in his eyes, like he doesn't get hurt or anything, he just sits down and cries after we beat him. And so we're back to the main screen where the tutorial picks up again. We've got that little demon king whatever thing telling us what to do. So, again, just clicking where it tells us to click and just wait. I like the idea here of the mastery there, how you can just upgrade your base stats randomly. I do wish you had a choice in the matter, but I do know why they do it randomly. It's that way it makes it at least a little bit challenging. Otherwise, you could just max out one stat. And you don't want to make it too easy. You want to make it at least enjoyable. Like mediocrely challenging. Not too challenging, but not too easy. I think I'm going to go with mini slime. See if I can make some mini-me's. We'll just attack with the whole army. Whole army is better than none. Let's go with, I think, critical or maybe physical. Yeah, critical. It's always better. Usually. Alright, mini-me's, let's go. Oh. Are they dying? Are they just dying so quickly? I think I'm gonna go with the rear attack because my army of mini-me's is not becoming an army with me. So, grab the coins. I'm doing pretty good damage here, so I'm just hitting them when they're dying. Gonna get an attack speed. Maybe I can shoot faster again. Oh man, I got so lucky there. And I missed my dodge. I'm stuck under the boxes. And now the enemies are getting harder. This is where that rear shot comes in real handy because you can attack both sides at the same time. I think I'm going to do with the basic attacks instantly finish. That way, because I'm just barely not killing them, and that way it should kill them. Oh! I was not expecting a Grim Reaper to pop up. That's kind of cool. It's actually a little funny. Oh, there's too many! There's nowhere to run to. I mean, there's no safe ground. Of course, we're not running away. We're not cowards. We're courageous slimes that have a tendency to look like we're running away from battles. I think I'm gonna do this collision thing. Give it a try since I'm not getting this dodge feature down. That way I can at least do damage when I hit them. I just don't like the idea of running into them. Got some archers here. I don't like these archers. It's not fair. I should be the only one who can shoot. And we've got the little boss of the level. And tactical strategic retreat again. Ah! No! There's a wall! Attack mini-me's running away too. You got my heroic cowardice stat, don't you? But I still win, because cowards always live to fight another day. That's the one thing they never tell you about cowardice. It's not bad. It's only bad if you don't get away. Then it's a cowardly. If you get away, it's strategic. Gotta remember that. So looks like we got some new skills here. Creates one spirit, create a meteor, and cloud of electricity. So I think those, it's not letting me click on, it didn't let me click on any of them, so I think it'll actually wind up being an ability we can unlock later. Unlock this. It's pretty useful, he says. I don't know. I'm skeptical. Skeptical. Right, of course I'll be using it. Mainly because you don't give me a choice in the matter, but why not? It only makes sense that I would use a weapon instead of no weapon. I mean, that doesn't seem like that would be very smart. I like the little dwarf. Got your daily rewards. So pretty much just standard every single phone mobile game stuff. So yep. Let's go ahead and play another level. I'm just gonna go back and claim the chests. You get a reward if you complete the level, and I didn't claim the last couple ones just because, well, the tutorial interfered with that. So actually going to level up a little bit just to make sure that I don't die in the next level. Since I have some coins, might as well spend them. Go to the shop, get the freebie, and open up these chests because it says I've got chest keys or something. I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit. Alright, we got the interesting part out of the way. So now we're gonna see what we got here and see if any of it's any good. So, it doesn't really tell me much, but it is better than what I have, so I am gonna go ahead and equip it. And just kind of put on what anything I have that I can't talk. Anything that will help me out, but that I have room for. So I'm looking to see here, like, what's the difference? Because sometimes maybe, because I noticed that certain, like the ring, it does lifesteal, I think, and the other one is like luck up or something. So I'm trying to look for ones that actually help me out. So, anyway, I'm gonna see here. I actually left and then went back to equipment just because of the fact that it didn't clear and it said I still had equipment and I forgot I had to select it. So we're gonna go back in and play another level. Just kind of chill at this point. I mean, they die pretty quickly, so I'm gonna do double jump, get some extra mobility and a little bit extra dodge. I made a discovery that if you jump and you can shoot still and the attack still goes through. I'm gonna go with a mini slime here and see if maybe I just did it wrong in the last one, because none of the other options look really good. Well, I think we'll go for rear attack, because at the going rate, I'm going to do a lot of running away because my mini slimes are not fighting. They're doing more running away than I am. And I'm the main coward here, people. Ooh, magic. Because I'm a magical coward. Now I can have the lightning bolt do my fighting for me and I can just cower somewhere. I think I'm going to go with health this time just because I got hit. And it's... Oh, I'm at 6 waves already. Oh, well, maybe that was a waste then. I didn't realize I was so close. Rear attack. Although the front attack, it was tempting, but it's... We're gonna do more running away because it's gonna get harder, so at this point what I'm doing is pretty much like running at him and then doing like a quick reversal so that way I can shoot backwards. See, you'll just notice there that I did like a front ways and then a about face just to get him in range. It's the only downside of the reversal shot is when you're not being cowardly, it's not really helpful. I just totally took that hit there. I wasn't paying attention. So it's pretty just straightforward. And now we're supposed to actually get a player. I like how the game makes up like a random player ID, like it's an actual player from a video game. Kind of gives it a little bit more of a, well, not necessarily, well, it is a video game, but more of a you versus video game players, I guess I should say. And maybe you don't feel that way, but I just think that's a nice little aesthetic to add. Got another key here. It's just the one since this tutorial, and they're pretty much just forcing us to go through all this stuff again. So I guess I'm going to actually level up now. And promote. So I don't want to go. I want to level up the rest of the way. I love how the little eye pops up like it's a little Middle Earth thing. So this must be for when you're AFK. So this must be where the idle part of it comes in. And then I've got a brand new event I have the option of doing that I'm totally unqualified for. Oh, these make gears. I'm definitely going to get that and probably upgrade it. That way, it's like the upgrade will work on its own upgrade. That's cool. Got the gears, might as well go ahead and level that one up too. And we're just gonna see what some of these other options are here along the side. I hate it when the screen gets messy. I don't know if you can tell that about me or not yet. A little bit of OCD, I know, but I'm gonna go back and level up. That's what I was going to do before I got so rudely interrupted by the tutorial. So if I can level him up to level 3 star, I unlock a new ability. Cool. I don't know if I have enough or not. Oh, so yeah, this is what I was telling you about. This one increases my dodge, and the other one just increased my overall defense. So I'm gonna do dodge because that gives me more mobility. Here's the event that they gave me 200 forks for, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I get anything good. I don't expect to, but hey, I guess as long as it's free, might as well give it a shot. So the diamonds are probably where all the good stuff's at. And the chances of hitting those diamonds look like they're pretty slim. So, check out the store, see if anything changed. Oh, that's right, I got the key. Forgot about that from an event. Open that up, nothing really interesting. So, just getting the event keys. Didn't realize that. Rarity unlocks new stuff. So, pretty standard again. Ooh, another blue. That works for me. Gonna go ahead and slap that little blue thing on. I don't know how much it'll help, but it's better than what I got, so it can't hurt. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of some of these little ones that don't really do a whole lot, because again, I like it clean. You get your daily rewards, or monthly rewards, I guess. So, pretty much, so far, it's just been your standard mobile game, once you hit the menu. The gameplay is kind of fun, but there are other games like it, so it's just an aesthetic thing, I guess. Sadly, though, that is where our time here today ends, so I'll see you next time.